Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you're watching EncycloHub. This EncycloHub, we are providing all the consulting services related to any courses, and if you need any help, so you can contact us on our number. And we are also providing all the solutions of this PDF of this assignment, in which there are the four questions. And if you need any help regarding this, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number and by message and call also. Now question number 4 is distinguish product marketing from marketing of services, and explain the various characteristics of services which make them different from tangible goods. Discuss the major types of digital marketing techniques that are being used by firms to enhance their visibility and business growth. So the you can see here that these are the two questions in this question. So if you need answer of these two questions, so you can contact us. We will provide all the questions answers by in the PDF. So thank you so much for watching video. If you need any help related to this or any other courses, so you can contact us without any hesitation. Thank you so much for watching.